Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. For example, the screen does not respond to your touches. You can try to soft reset it, and after turning it on again, it should work perfectly fine. So to soft reset your device, we have to press the power button and the volume down button together and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing them. As you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it and keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is good. We've got the developer's logo, so I can release the fingers and our device will be turned on in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.